afternoon, guys. Today is 29th June 2023. Today is Thursday, and I'm waiting for my food order. Today I ordered from Behrouz BIRYANI restaurant. Waiting for the food to arrive. Waiting for the SWIGGY delivery man. प्रकाश ना? अच्छा ये देखिए आपके लिए ना बर्थडे का ये प्रकाश, ठीक है?
Thank you.
Behrouz
कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स एरिया बोलो।
नीचे तरफ में
डाउन तरफ जाते हैं।
अच्छा
3 नंबर में।
अच्छा ठीक है, फिर ऑर्डर करेंगे तो ले आएगा, ठीक है?
थैंक यू।
ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक।
Salam. So what's special for Eid?
Guys, today I ordered Behrouz biryani chicken tikka
Kababs.
kebab. Chicken Tikki from Behrouz. So let me show you how chicken Tikki looks of Behrouz. Wow.
Nice.
Ah.
Very tasty kebab. Lazeez kebab.
So guys, now it's time to taste the Behrouz biryani tasty chicken tikka kebab, smoky chicken tikka. I can smell the smokiness of the chicken tikka. Plus they have provided this chutney. Smell of mint is coming from this awesome chutney. So let me put some chutney over here, and
Enjoy.
I'm gonna put some lime on the tikka kebab, and now I'm gonna taste it. The biryani, Behrouz biryani chicken tikka kebab.
Behrouz biryani kebab.
It's mouth watering, so thumbs up to Behrouz biryani chicken tikka kebab.
And feel Nawabi.
Salam from my side to Behrouz biryani.
Salam, Eid Mubarak.
And all the viewers of Evewin 89 YouTube channel. Happy Eid.
Eid Mubarak with Lazeez kebabs.